Hello friends, and welcome to Faro DIY and Decor. I got $4 mirrors and cut a cardboard according to the size of the mirrors. First of all, I will attach all the 4 mirrors with each other side to side, and then we'll place the cardboard inside it. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and share your ideas in the comment section below. I'm trying to attach it as securely as possible, so that's why I'm gluing the corners once again. And for the cardboard, I will glue it from the other side, like from the back side, once more to just keep it secure. To make the lid, I'm using one more Dollar Tree mirror and a brooch that I had it in the house, or you can use any button or any other thing, because I love this brooch and I'm not using it anymore. That's why I'm using it for this project. It's going to look beautiful. I'm using once again the hot glue gun, and if you wanted to be really secure, you can use E6000. You can use this beautiful piece as an organizer, or even you can just remove the lid and use it as a vase. For the second project, I'm using one of these vases from Dollar Tree and a mirror ribbon from Michael's, and a few palms and a candle. So first of all, I will attach the ribbon to the vase. I would like it to keep it in the middle, but if you want it to be lower, you can use it in the lower section, or you can just go around and wrap it all around this vase. It's going to look beautiful and very glamorous. The white palms are also from Dollar Tree. It's going to just give it a snowy look, and I really like it. I'm just placing the candle in between, and then we'll add some more palms to cover the candle. If you like these projects as much as I loved making them, please don't forget to share your idea in the comment section and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so, and join our DIY and Decor family. I post new videos every week, So check my other videos as well. See you in my next video.